Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. You are welcomed by Sandvik LawGuru channel. So today our topic is negligence under law of torts. Before starting this video, please subscribe so that you all get law of torts related videos. Let's start our video. So first of all, we will discuss or know what is the meaning of negligence. What is the meaning of the word negligence, what it denotes, what it signifies. So in day-to-day usage or in everyday usage, we know that the word negligence, it denotes mere carelessness. That we say a man has negligently done something. Due to negligence he has caused injury to someone else. In legal sense, this word negligence signifies failure to exercise standard of care which the doer as a reasonable man should have exercised in the circumstance. What it means? It means, see the line. It signifies failure to exercise standard of care. If a person has not exercised his standard of care or has not taken any care or precaution, and while doing certain act he has not taken such precautions and care, he has done an injury or harm to others due to negligence, due to carelessness, then it is called negligence of that person. He has negligently done something. Generally, there is a legal duty to take care when it was reasonably foreseeable that failure to do so was likely to cause injury. We all have legal duty to take care and adequate precautions. Let me take an example. If I am driving a car, I will take precautions by wearing seat belts, not driving rashly, seeing everywhere and then driving forward, right, left, everywhere. It is that I am taking all precautions to or avoid accident. But supposedly if I do not care precautions, if I do not wear seat belt, I drive rashly, I do not see anywhere, and I accidentally or due to my negligence, supposedly I am driving a car without wearing seat belts and I am driving the car rashly without seeing anywhere, and I drive over a person due to my negligence. That person has, the plaintiff, the suffering party, has the right to sue me. Okay, this is called negligence. Let me take an example so that you all can understand the concept of negligence better. If Hema's housemaid has the habit of throwing dirty water down from the veranda onto the public road in front, if Hema has a housemaid who has a habit of throwing dirty water down from the veranda into the public road, she or he has the habit to do so, and one not so fine day, she as usual throws the dirty water, and that water falls upon a person named Rekha. Who was she? She was a high court advocate who was just passing by. Rekha has a claim in tort. Why this is so? This is because that even if let us take that Rekha is not a frequent passerby, she does not travel through that road regularly, but it is given that it is a public road which is used by people generally, then one should be careful in doing such acts. If we see opinion wise, then that act is not right. If Hema's housemaid has thrown water from the veranda and the water has fallen upon the head or upon the person who was a regular passerby, that can also be the case. Another case also be that Hema's family member is also passing by and housemaid has thrown water on them. It was not intentional. The housemaid had not done that act intentionally. There was no wrong intention. Due to the negligence of the housemaid, other people who were passing by the road, they were suffering from damages or health issues, etc. If the housemaid has taken proper care and precaution, or she has thrown the water in the sink instead of throwing water in the veranda, then it will not happen. I hope the example is clear. Let me discuss the definitions. Winfield and Jolovic, according to these two persons, negligence is the breach of legal duty to take care which results in damage undesired by the defendant to the plaintiff. What you can see in this definition, that here there is a breach of a legal duty. What is the meaning of breach? The meaning of the word breach is violation. So what is negligence? Negligence is the violation or breach of a legal duty to take care or proper precautions which results in damage undesired by the defendant. There is no intention by the defendant that I will do that intentionally, or the defendant has wrong intention to harm that particular person or the plaintiff. It is due to her or his negligence. The simple meaning of negligence is that if someone has not taken proper care or precaution and has done certain act that caused harm or injury to other person, and all this has taken place due to the negligence of the doer of that act, that this is called negligence. In Bleeth versus Birmingham Water Works Co. 1856 LR 11 Exchange 781, Alderson B. defined negligence as negligence is the omission to do something which a reasonable man, guided upon those considerations which ordinarily regulate the conduct of human affairs, would do, or doing something which a prudent or reasonable man would not do. It means that if someone, like I have said earlier, if someone has not taken proper care or precaution, but he has done the work carelessly and it has caused some harm or injury to other person, then it is called negligence. But to avoid negligence, the person, the doer, has to behave like a prudent person or a reasonable person. As a reasonable person, he would not do, as I have given an example, that as a reasonable man, I will drive a car by wearing seat belt, taking all the precautions, driving in a speed limit, which a prudent person does. But if I drive that car without any precaution or taking care or driving carelessly, then it will be my negligence, or I will be negligent towards driving the car. If we simply see the meaning of the word negligence, there is two parts of negligence: as a reasonable man and not a reasonable man. If we see as a reasonable man, what would a reasonable man would do? The reasonable man would take all precautions and proper care, due care, and do certain act without harming others. And who is not a reasonable man, who is not acting like a reasonable man or prudent person, he would not take any precaution or care and he will harm others. This is called the negligence. I hope this concept is clear to all. If you like this video, then press the like button, share, subscribe my channel so that all you get the law of torts related videos. If you want notes related to my videos, please do comment. I can supply you note material. If you have any doubt, please do comment. In the next video, we will discuss the different theories of negligence. By then, thank you and stay safe.